everyone, welcome to KK's Art Studio.
And today we're going to be drawing Envy from Inside Out, so come join us.
All right everyone, let's get started with Envy. I'm super excited.
Yeah, I'm very excited. I love the Inside Out characters.
Me too. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw a big circle on the paper.
Okay.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come here and I'm going to come around and just draw a big circle.
Okay, I'm going to watch you so I get mine perfectly right. That's how you got to do KK's Art Studio. We got to watch you do it first, and then we copy it after.
Yeah. Just draw a circle.
Okay.
Circles are hard sometimes, but with practice...
I'm going to turn my paper a little bit. It makes it a little bit easier for me. Just a circle for the head.
Yep. Right in the middle of the paper. Good job.
Okay.
Okay, and then from there we could draw the details of the face.
Okay.
So we could draw the eyebrows first. The eyebrows, right here, this is like a curve that kind of looks like a smiley face.
Okay. This one up here?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. And then the rest of it's gonna look like a cheese doodle almost.
Okay.
Or
Almost
like a banana.
Like a pickle.
Like a pickle.
Looks like a pickle. Okay, so let's draw like a pickle.
Oh, that's perfect.
Okay.
And then right next to it, we're gonna do the same thing. So I do that same curve like a smile.
Okay. Another curve.
Perfect. Yep.
Okay.
And then do the same thing.
All right. So 2 pickles back to back for the eyebrows. That's what you're telling me?
Yeah.
Got it. I like mine.
Yeah, I love it too.
Okay, perfect.
And then the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna draw 2 big circles for her eyes.
Okay.
So right under this, we're gonna draw the circle. So I'm gonna come around.
You want to connect it a little bit?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then draw 2 circles.
For her eyes,
Full
I'm going to
circles,
turn
yeah.
my paper again. Circles are a little hard.
Circles are hard, but that's
You can
perfect.
get something and you can put it here and draw like a circle.
trace it?
You can trace it. And then you can also just do it in pencil and just erase it until you get like a perfect circle. Or like a near perfect circle. You don't have to freestyle a marker, guys. You can just kind of get it to where you get it how you want it. You could always pick up a pencil and you can kind of draw it and erase it with a pencil as you go.
That's very true. And then the details of the eyes, right?
Okay.
So inside we're gonna do 2 layers.
Okay.
And then basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw a circle from this circle.
Okay.
So I'm gonna come on this side and I'm gonna come up as if I was drawing a circle.
Okay.
And then go over here.
And attach it, so attach it from the bottom to the top, almost like a half moon.
Yeah.
Okay, so it looks like a little moon crest. Okay,
Yep.
got it.
Perfect. And then we're gonna do another one on the inside of that one.
Okay.
And we're gonna leave just a little bit of space.
At the bottom? Oh no, a little
Just
space
like
in
a
between.
space in
So
between.
kind of just follow the same line
Mm-hmm.
and make it parallel, like another little moon crest.
Perfect. Yep.
Okay,
And then we'll do the same thing on the other eye.
got it. Okay.
Okay,
All right,
and
nice.
then the little details on the eyes we could do after.
Okay.
So the next step we could do is draw the mouth, and the mouth is gonna look very similar to the eyebrows. So
Okay.
what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come here, drop down in a curve, and then come back up.
Okay. So we're gonna go.
Dip down and then back up. Perfect.
Okay.
And then we're gonna close it out the same way we did.
Okay, I'll watch you first.
Just like a pickle, right? I guess
Her mouth's open.
her mouth is gonna be.
Okay,
open.
got it.
And then we'll just connect it and go like that.
Okay.
It's a bigger pickle.
Drop it down. I'm gonna turn my paper if you don't mind. I like turning my paper.
Perfect.
All right.
I love it.
Awesome.
And then we could draw her teeth. So
Okay.
her teeth are gonna be 2 loops. It's
Okay.
gonna look kind of like the letter W.
Got it. So just in the middle, we're gonna go 1 and then 2.
Perfect.
Okay.
And then the tongue is gonna be the same concept, just looking down.
Okay.
So we're gonna make a loop like this, and then a loop like that.
Got
That's her tongue.
This.
Looks like 2 little hills, right?
Okay, got it.
Yep. And then from there we could draw her hair. So what we have left is her hair and then
Okay.
her dress. So
Got it. So
right-
almost done.
Yeah.
Okay.
So right in the middle of the head, I'm just gonna draw a vertical line coming up.
Okay. So right here, just one line,
Yep.
one little line. Okay.
And then we're gonna draw 2 lines that go out that kind of look like antennas, but that's just her hair as well.
So like a little V at the
Yep.
top. Okay, it looks like a bug.
It does.
Okay.
And then from the side of her heads, we're gonna draw squiggly lines because her hair is kind of curly.
Okay.
But we're not gonna go all the way down. So
Okay.
just somewhere up here, I'm just gonna go like this, and I'll come out to maybe here.
Okay. So just a squiggly line like this, like the ocean.
Yep.
Okay.
Just a bunch of squiggly lines.
I'm a righty, so I have to cross my paper. KK's a lefty.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we're gonna go the opposite way. So I'm gonna go like that, and it doesn't have to be perfect because her hair is just.
Okay, connected to the other side of the paper or no?
Yep. No,
Okay.
well, not all the way at the end. but
Okay.
right
Got it.
there's perfect. And then we'll do the same thing, and we're just gonna curve her hair around. So I'm
Okay.
gonna make a whole bunch of loops like this, and just come around.
And are we connected to the bottom?
And then connect it to that hair.
Okay, got it. So I'm gonna come out from here not the head. And I'm gonna make a bunch of waves like this.
Bunch of waves.
And I connect it to the, okay, got it.
Yep.
And why are we doing this?
That's her hair. Her hair's like
It's like messy?
really curly. Yeah.
Okay, got it.
And then we'll do the same thing here. So again, we're just making a whole bunch of loops and hills.
Got it, got it, got it.
It doesn't have to look perfect. And then we connect it to that line.
Got it, got it. I'm getting there. 1 second. Got it.
God, you're doing so good.
Thank you, thank you.
So the next step is her dress, right?
Okay.
So right where we made that little line, we'll come down.
Okay.
And then we're gonna make something that looks like a triangle. So we're gonna come out like this.
Okay, it's like a V shape upside down.
Upside down V, or as if we were gonna make a triangle,
Got it.
right? And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw a curved line that goes up to her head.
Got it. I'm gonna extend this a little bit and then a curved line that touches like almost the bottom of her head, her chin.
Yeah, like
okay.
the neck. And then we're gonna do the same thing on this side, that same curve that goes up.
Got it.
This is like the collar of her dress.
Okay.
And then from there, we could draw 2 lines right here. So I'm gonna leave some space. And then right here, I'm gonna draw a line that comes down and out. So I left some space there.
Here, and then I'm gonna draw like a line that kind of curves like a slope.
Yep.
Okay.
It looks like a slide almost.
Yeah,
It
okay.
comes down and it curves
I used
out
to
like a
build
slide.
trees like this. This would be like the bark of the tree. It's kind of what it reminds me of.
Yeah, it's very similar.
I'm
actually.
gonna turn my paper. I'm gonna go down, and I'm gonna
Curve
come
out.
out. Okay. Awesome.
And then we could draw a scoop
That connects it?
that connects it. Yep.
All right. How about I do this one first and you tell
Yeah,
me how I do it,
do it.
all right? Guys, be brave. We can do this. We can do this.
Oh, that's so perfect.
me
That's
connect
exactly
this.
how I was gonna do it.
Yeah, let me
Yep.
see.
So I'm just gonna come like this.
She's coming together. You could see once we add the little details, guys, in her eyes and everything will come together with the coloring. It's gonna be perfect.
Yep. And then I'm just gonna.
I love this little project.
There we go. And then from there, from the side of her heads, we could draw where her arms would be.
Okay.
Actually, I think it might be easier to go like this. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna make a curve right here. And her arms are gonna look like they're tucked behind her back.
Okay.
So I'm gonna make a curve like this that kind of looks like the letter C.
Got it. So I'm gonna come out a little bit and make like an arch. Okay.
And then we're gonna do the same thing here, just the opposite way.
Got it.
So just a curve.
Another curve.
Looks like a handle a little bit.
Got
or
it.
a curve.
Okay.
And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna copy that same one, just bigger.
Okay.
And it's gonna be her arms.
Okay, so
from
her
her
arms
neck,
are coming from, got it.
or like a little bit from the collar.
Okay.
Leave some space. I'm gonna curve a line just like
That's her,
right here.
that's her arms on the back, and then you can do the
That's her
same thing
arm.
on the side. Awesome.
And then we could draw her legs. Her
Okay.
legs and her boots and everything else is just details.
Okay.
So I'm gonna come down and I'm gonna draw one vertical line
Right in the middle.
almost to the bottom of the paper.
Okay, I'm gonna leave some room right here at the bottom. Got it.
Perfect.
Okay.
Then we're gonna draw 2 other vertical lines,
Okay.
and it's gonna be a thin little space that we have in between.
Okay, so when you say vertical, vertical is down
Vertical
and
is down and
horizontals
horizontal is
across?
this way.
Got it. Okay. Just double checking. So 3 lines.
Yep.
2 of them are the same size. The one in the middle is a little bit longer, right?
Yep.
Okay, got it, got it.
And then, like you said, we're gonna draw a horizontal line now. So
Okay.
I'm gonna draw one right across that goes longer than the lines.
Okay, but it connects the 2 smaller lines. Got it. And it goes a little bit out?
Yep.
Okay, I'll redo it.
Yep.
Just gonna trace
Perfect.
back over it. Okay.
And then we're gonna draw 2 vertical lines again, just short ones. See
Okay.
how short these are?
Yep. Should this piece be a little bit longer? The one in the middle?
Yeah, you could bring it down more.
Okay, I'll bring this down more.
Yep.
Okay.
And then from there, I'm gonna draw a hill that goes this way.
Okay. So like a curve.
These are gonna be her boots. So
Okay.
you guys could imagine some boots, and then
Yep.
a hill that goes this way.
Okay. I see the boots coming to life. I
And
see it
then we're
coming to
gonna
life.
curve down straight like this.
Okay. Go down and then straight.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna connect it here.
Connect it to that line.
Okay.
Yep. And then we'll do the same thing.
Okay.
So I curved it down.
I might have ran out of
next to
room.
the line.
Ooh, I might have messed this up too. Okay, I'm just gonna curve it in.
Oh, that looks good.
Yeah, I messed up right here, but that's okay.
That's okay.
All right, her boots.
Yay, when you color it in, it's gonna look perfect.
Okay, awesome.
So now the details of our eyes. They're
Okay.
super cool.
Yeah, that's gonna make her face
Yeah.
pop. Okay.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do like the half circle again. So
Okay.
I'm gonna do one right here that's smaller
Okay.
towards the top.
Look, she's rolling her eyes.
Her eyes are super sparkly, so we're
Okay.
gonna do that, and we're gonna do the same thing on this side.
Okay. Oh, I did mine's backwards. I should have did the curves in this way. Okay. I'm just
That's
gonna
okay.
draw hers right over here. So when you do the curves, they all have to be facing the same way. I did my curves this way, and then I did my curves that way. Okay,
Oh,
well,
I see.
lesson learned.
That's okay.
That's how you learn to draw. You make mistakes, and you learn from them.
She's like a little.
I could always do
her
this
eyes are
over too.
cross-eyed.
Yeah, I could always do this over and keep practicing. This is one of my favorite characters, so I'll probably draw her a couple times before I get it perfect anyway.
Yeah. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw something that looks like the top of a tent or almost like a triangle. Just like that.
Okay. So another V shape. We seem to be drawing this a lot. Okay.
And if you want, you could turn your paper again.
Awesome.
Right?
Okay.
And then you're gonna do the same idea. You're just gonna draw like that V shape.
Okay. Like another V shape. Okay.
Yep, and this is supposed to look like a star.
Okay.
It's like little sparkles in
So
her
she has
eyes.
like a, oh, like a diamond almost.
Like a diamond, yeah.
Got it. Okay.
And we could keep turning the paper however we find it easier.
Okay.
And then we just connect it.
Okay, so you want to make like 4 kind of points, like a
Yeah.
diamond in her eye.
Like
Okay.
a diamond.
Okay.
And then we're gonna do a smaller one
Okay.
right next to it. So we're gonna do the V shape
Okay.
all around.
Got it. Okay. These are just extra details, right?
Yeah, these are the details that come in her eyes.
Okay.
Actually. She's like this.
Okay.
And then we'll do a little circle here. And
Okay.
that's pretty much it.
All right.
And then we'll copy the same design on this side.
Awesome.
I don't like how this one came out.
Yeah,
It's
keep a
okay.
little.
But you know, I actually like how yours is backwards. Okay, and then her dress has polka dots.
Okay.
So we could just draw a whole bunch of circles.
Okay.
In some places, like we could draw half circles,
Like connected to her
full
dress?
circles.
Okay.
Yeah.
I like this part.
Like the details, like it's behind, half circles, and then we'll just do it throughout the dress.
Okay, sounds good.
You could draw them bigger too, though.
Okay. I like this part.
That's nice.
This is,
Circles?
yeah, this is a fun part.
Yeah.
I like drawing the details.
Yeah, the details are always fun. And then one more thing, and
Okay.
then we're done, and then we could color her in.
Okay.
Her hair has hair clips.
Okay.
So what we could do is right on the side of her head,
Mm-hmm.
we could draw something that looks like an oval or just like a big letter U that's upside down.
Got it. So this is like a hair clip.
Yep.
Okay.
And then we'll draw a smaller one inside. Just like that. Perfect.
Got it.
And then we'll do the same thing on this side, and you could pretty much do it at the same height or wherever else you want.
Okay.
I'm gonna put this one a little lower.
I like it.
Yep. And then we could draw little swiggly lines in her hair, just because it's curly, and this could also just go anywhere you
Gives it
want
some
to put
definition in her hair, in her curly hair. I like it. This is fun when you get to just kind of let your artistry express itself, and
Just freestyle it.
yeah,
Yeah. And there we have it. There we have Envy.
that was so cool. That was super easy.
Yeah.
I messed up a little bit on her face over here, making
That's
it oval.
okay. Circles are hard to
Yeah,
make
but you can always break out a pencil and kind of do it a little better. The fun part comes down here,
to
right?
color it in. Right?
Awesome. All right,
All
let's
right, so
color
we're
it
gonna
in.
Speed this part up and just stay tuned for the final